The Australian FHIR community process serves a crucial purpose. It ensures that our fire standards are fit for purpose, enabling the free flow of health information across systems while supporting safe, high quality, integrated and person-centred care. At its core, this process builds trust in Australian fire standardisation. It's important to note that FHIR is an open standard. This means that any organisation can develop and publish fire-based specifications without following the AFCP. However, using the AFCP signals to potential users that your specifications meet the requirements of open standards. They've been developed using sound, consensus-building practices, including openness and transparency, in collaboration with the Australian fire community. Experience has shown that developers who use the AFCP receive substantial and high-quality input from Australia's most experienced fire practitioners. This typically results in fewer error-prone implementations, lower costs in the medium term, and specifications that can be reused across different contexts. The AFCP is fully compatible with the HL7 International Fire Community Process. It meets all of the requirements of the international process while contextualising it for Australian healthcare needs. When should you use the AFCP? If you're developing a fire implementation guide that will contribute to an expansion of the FHIR Australian core, you must use the AFCP. If you're developing an implementation guide that will be publicly available but won't contribute to the Australian core, you should use the AFCP so that others can trust it. Even if you're developing a guide just for use within your own organisation, HL7 Australia encourages you to use the AFCP to ensure the quality of your product. So what does the community process entail? First, new projects are registered with the Australian Fire Coordination Committee and the wider Australian HL7 community is notified. There must be a way for anyone to comment and contribute intellectual property to the project. The ways in which the standards community is engaged, issues are resolved and decisions are made must be documented and adhered to. Any potential conflicts of interest must be made public. Published implementation guides must conform to HL7's documented rules for fire IG publishing, and arrangements must be made for the ongoing maintenance of published material. Specifications that are assessed by the Australian Fire Coordination Committee as having complied with the AFCP may be authorised to carry the HL7 Fire Community Process icon, a badge of honour that communicates confidence in the product to its users. The AFCP is described within the Australian Fire Management Framework, which is available via the HL7 Australia website. By using the Australian Fire Community Process, we all contribute to a more connected, efficient healthcare system that better serves all Australians. For more information on participating in the AFCP or connecting with the AFCC, visit the HL7 Australia website. Thank you for watching.